Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to another video from the Malton Motor Company. God, I can hardly speak then because it's that cold outside. My lips are sticking together. Welcome to this video. It's another one of our sales videos, and we're here to present this fantastic Jaguar F Pace. It's 2017 on the 17 plate. It's a 2-litre diesel portfolio with like an S pack on it. Now I'll just go through all the bits and pieces first on the outside, then we'll have a look at the inside. It's got adaptive xenon headlights. It's got LED daytime running lights, front fog lights. It's got the black mesh grille with the red badge and the S badge. It was supplied by Stratstone Jaguar. As you can see, it's got the added vent louvers on the bonnet. It's got 20-inch Jaguar genuine alloy wheels in gloss black. It's got the full mud flap kit. It's got the chrome window surrounds, but it's got privacy glass, and it's also got a full length panoramic roof with an electric blind. It's just had a lot of money spent on it just to get it absolutely tip top. It's just had front disc and pads by Jaguar. It's just had rear flexi brake pipes from Jaguar and new bleed nipples on the rear calipers. It's had a full brake fluid change, full engine service. It's also had the timing chains renewed by Jaguar at the expense of £4.5 grand. So this car now bulletproof, no issues with this car whatsoever. There wasn't a loud clanking noise on the engine. I just happened to hear a very faint rattle, which was something and nothing really on cold startup, and then it vanished. But I took it to Jaguar, they did the test, they said no, we'll do it under warranty, no problem. This car has got the remainder of Jaguar warranty, which can be transferred. The warranty expires middle of August 24, so that'll go with the car as well. Proper approved Jaguar warranty, which is probably one of the best in the marketplace, to be fair. As you can see, rear parking sensors. It's got a rear camera. It's an all-wheel drive version as well, so you've got 4-wheel drive. It's got the aluminium protector there on the bumper. You've got the rear spoiler with the LED brake light in it. It's also got black gloss roof bars. It's absolutely gorgeous, this car. No damage, no chips, no scratches, no dents, no paintwork needed doing. Everything is mint. Light lenses are absolutely mint. LED lights at the back are gorgeous, aren't they? A bit like the F-Type. Right, we'll just walk around this side. None of the wheels are damaged because they've all just been refurbished. We've just had them done, and they've had new red centre badges in to match the front mesh grille. As you can hear, it is running. All the plastics are mint. There's no scuffs or scrapes on them. It's keyless entry, keyless go. It's got electric heated dimming door mirrors, which have got the built-in LED indicators. It's got the sign recognition camera, rain sensitive wipers, auto lights. It's absolutely fully kitted out, this, with loads and loads and loads of extras on it, from even over and above what a portfolio normally has. It's obviously got heated headlight power wash, heated screen wash, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Now, like I mentioned to you before, it's got quite a few extras and bits and pieces on it, this. It's got lots of added silver trim, and when you see inside a normal one, even a portfolio, they look a bit plain. It's got the silver trim round here. Obviously, it's got the figured ebony veneers, which just break it up as well. As you can see there, ambient lighting on all the doors, electric windows. It's got the premium surround sound Meridian high wattage stereo system in there. It's got ebony soft grain Windsor leather, which is absolutely gorgeous, to be fair. It's got the ebony headliner. It's got electric blind, but we've got it open at the moment so you can see the panoramic roof and let a bit more lighting because it's starting to come a bit dark. It's even got the silver cup holder surround. It's got the silver surround at the back there for the controls for the heated rear seats. It's got a couple of USB points and a 12-volt socket. It's got all the proper Jaguar rubber tailored mats in, which are a fortune. Let's have a look in the front. It's got fully electric seats. We also noticed that it's got these there's a lot of extra silver trim in the car, which just sets it off, I think. It's like aluminium trim around the seat buttons. It's also got it round there, we notice as well. It's got it on there. Where else it got it? As you can see, Meridian surround sound. It's got folding door mirrors, 4 electric windows, we know all about that. It's got lane departure, electric boot lid. It's even got an S leather thing on the steering wheel there, and on the gear knob. You've got your glove box there with USBs. We noticed that this is an added piece of silver, which is an extra as well, and that round the gear selector. I think it all sets it really well, and round the interior mirror. You've got your sunglasses holder up there, and of course you've got the massive widescreen. The other versions have got the buttons down either side. This is the full widescreen. It's got heated front seats, heated rear seats. It's got dual aircon climate control. It's got heated front screen, heated rear screen. Like I say, keyless start. It's also got the chrome round there, the aluminium round there. It's done 32,487 miles when I can read it. God, my eyes are freezing. It's got the, you don't know if you can see, but it's got all the embossed Jaguars in the headrest, the leaping cat mascots. Rear parking sensors, front parking sensors. It's got park assist. It's got navigation, DAB radio. It's, as you can see, proper Jaguar mats. It's got the hand-stitched leather dash. It's even got those in silver there, which I thought set it off. You've got your surround sound system speaker there. Your door cards, absolutely mint. You even got a silver handle there on the glove box. They're all your handbooks. You can see, I'll just flash through here. You've also got a surround camera system. This side's not on at the minute because I've got the door open, but once the door's closed, you can select a 360 view. You can select just the front camera, the back camera, which is also a reversing camera. You can also have a look at the door mirror cameras at each side as well. So you've got a full 360. You've got DAB music. You've got a CD player in there as well. You've also got USB and Bluetooth music. You've got in-control apps, Apple CarPlay, you name it. You've got it. It's the top of the shop. There you go. Look, park assist, cancel park assist. You've got your nav there. You've got everything. You've got your lovely ebony, figured ebony veneers there. You've also got terrain response, stop start. You've got cruise control. You've even got the stainless steel cup holder bottoms there. It's a proper thing. I don't think you can get any more extras on it. I'm sure you can't. And obviously you just press that, and then the blind, as you can see, starts to creep forward. I'm sorry about the light, but it's winter days, isn't it? I'll just pop the bonnet so you can briefly see it under there. But as you can see, look at all the seats. Absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's like having a brand new car. This car is for sale, like I say. It's going to be $24,995 with full Jaguar service history. I think it's had about 6 or 7 stamps in the book. Clean under there. It's had a recent battery on it as well. Like I say, brake fluid change, full engine service. Antifreeze done. It's got the front camera there, you can see. But yeah, what a car. Please give us a shout on the usual number, which is 07759 938 395. We can go through all the history and everything it's had done. This car is ready to go. Just wants taxing. It's on its way. It's got MOT, which was done previously at Jaguar, at the middle of August 2024. It'll go with that MOT. It's just literally been through Jaguar at York. I put it through there to have a health check. and then they found that they wanted the timing chains, antifreeze change, oil and filter doing, front disc and pads, the brake bits and pieces at the back flexes. It's had everything it wants. It's had 4 new tyres, I put them on. It's had all the wheels refurbished. It's sorted. Doesn't want for anything, that car. This isn't to be mistaken, but you know, with like a well-used family car where you've had dogs in and kids jumping in and out and scuffs and scrapes here and there. This has been somebody's pride and joy. As you can see, it's absolutely faultless. It's in midnight black, which is a solid black. But yeah, what a car. Give us a shout, guys. It's here in our showroom. Oh, it's also had brand new front wiper blades and a brand new rear wiper blade. Like I say, the car is absolutely dead right. Nothing to do at it. Jaguar warranty still on it until middle of August. MOT till middle of August. Don't need to spend a penny on this car. Just use it, drive it, enjoy it, and make the most of it. Like I say, just had all brand new tyres on. You know, it's just ready to go. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing, keep following us, keep liking. We appreciate it. And there'll be more videos coming along very soon. Bye for now.